Hi guys. All right, so we are back again. So we finished with our administrative tool. We're going to continue with our finance and accounting tools. With the finance and accounting tools, we'll be looking at some things under bookkeeping. That's mainly bookkeeping, and then invoicing and receipt, and then inventory. As digitally as possible, we need to keep our records on digital platforms. So we'll be looking at apps that can help us to get our bookkeeping right, design invoices and receipts and issue to our customers electronically, and inventory. So we're going to move straight to the first tool under finance and accounting, which will be for our bookkeeping. Okay, so as we all know, we'll go to the App Store or Play Store, and then we go and look for an app named Cashbook. So let's type Cashbook. Then we'll search. Sorry, I think my internet. So we search for Cashbook. Okay, so we'll go to our app store and then we'll look for Cashbook. Cashbook has a blue color with a C alphabet in the middle. So we install. Whilst we wait for the installation, alright, so just after the installation, then we'll open the book. So this is how the interface of Cashbook looks like. Now you have this screen, you just go to continue. Now it will ask you to get started, verify your phone number. Mine was automatic because this is what I have on in my phone. So I say use it. So the app will try to verify my number, and just after verifying the number, I'll have access to the book. Okay, so with this interface, that is the Cashbook, you can now start utilizing what comes with your Cashbook. In this screen, we have add new book. When you go up, you see the plus sign. Normally when you see the plus sign, it means the add new group, or when it's add new book, you just click on it. Now what is the adding of new book? So we are trying to run our cash system based on expenses and income generation. So you have to name your book. Traditionally or typically, when you're running a business or keeping track of your expenses, you do them daily or weekly or monthly, all depends. So if you're a type of person that your business is a daily one, then you can name your book per the day. I will name mine with a date, 21st September 2022. This is the date I want to use for my book, so that I can record everything in it for the day. We have another option behind that says private book, group book. Private group book means it's only private to you. Yes, it's only my record that I want to have. I don't intend sharing with anyone, so I save it. Now when you save the book, you will see that there is a different interface that will put the date there, puts balance, put total, and take out. So now how do we utilize this? Beneath at the left down side, we have the cash in, and then on the right we have the cash out. The cash in is basically for recording incomes or sales, and then the cash out is for expenses. So let's assume that I made a sale. I go to cash in, then there's the date automatically there. If I want to change, you can click on the arrow and change it. Now there is a time. These are automatic, so I don't expect you to touch them. Now you have an amount, so 100 cedis. I put 100. Do you want to put the contact? No. What do you want to write to indicate for this 100 cedis? So maybe sales sale of pen drive. Then it asks you category. Is it income from food, rent, stock? Is a sale, so I put it there. Then payment mode. Was it cash, online, or more? When you click more, you have bank, debit card, credit card. Okay, mine was cash, so I click on cash. Then you click on save. So at the top, my net balance at the moment is 100. So let's assume I had another sale. Then I go back the same way. This is 150. Remark, sale of memory card. Category is what? Sale, cash, save. So I keep having entries. So there are two entries. At this 11:33, I sold something for 100 cedis. 11:34, 150. Now my net balance is 250. So let's assume this continues. Then in between the day, I had to make some expenses, so I cash out. So I go to cash out and I put 70. Contact, I don't need it. Remark, okay, bought lunch. Category, food. Then it's cash, so I save. Now see what has happened. I have a net balance of 180. What it means is that my total income was 250 and my takeout has been 70. So this is how you're going to continue using it for the entire day. So at the end of the day, you're going to have all your recordings of your cash book on this app. You can still have your traditional copy, but this is on the go because every minute, even wherever you are, should it be in your absence and a sale takes place, you can easily record it here. Okay. Now, before we leave this app, just look at some things extra. Now, at the top right corner with the three dots, there's a menu there. When you click on it, it gives you an option of book activities, book settings, delete entries, Excel report. Book settings here will give you an opportunity to rename your book. Sometimes people start and they forget to name the book. So if you had named it and later decide to rechange, you can come here and then go and then name it. Automatically, whoever opened the app is the admin. That is it. Another thing that we can look at is when we come back to the home, we come down to settings. Settings, the first part here, you can see Tech Service Solutions because that is the name of the company I'm using. Normally, when you open the account, it doesn't automatically give you the name. So you have the right to do what? To edit it. So when you click on the edit sign, you can put the name of your business there, the number if you decide, you can add an email if you want to. Now this will customize the app purposely for your business so that you know it's purposely for you. If you come down, they ask you account types. When you click on account types, you have personal use, business, both personal and business. You can choose it. It doesn't make any difference. And business details is the same thing. You come here, you edit and type the name of your business. You can add your business address and the category of your business. These are extra activities that you may want to have time and go through. So this is your cash book and it automatically calculates, balances everything for you. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.